Attempted entry. Yes, you guessed it, into this ice freezer. Stolen items were dumped on this property. Included in the items were letters and voting ballots from apartments at Woodland Park Avenue and multiple debit cards. Vehicle had no plates. A second camera view. Homeless man peering into the front doors and windows. He was here at 3 a.m. last week looking into the downstairs neighbor's bedroom window as well. Be aware if you're in the area. Man checking doors. This person was checking this door and under the mat. Third time he approached the dog barking and walked away. He was driving a large white truck with wood frame on the back. No plates. Thirsty homeless man. When he left he didn't shut the water off. What a dick. Come on man, where are your manners? At least shut the water off after replenishing. Hello neighbor. Mailbox snoop at 1 a.m. Check this guy out. This guy will forever engrave in our brains the model image of what a male snoop looks like after watching this. We have a one-shoe wearing couch cushion thief in this one. What a chooch. He takes the award in this video hands down. Man looking around with small hatchet at 3 a.m. No big deal. I'm not too sure what the man is looking for, but the fact he's holding a small hatchet at 3 a.m. and we haven't seen him before is a bit alarming, homeowners said. A man took a pair of shoes from this front door. Keep an eye on your shoes. Attempted break-in. Someone was scoping out this home and checking locks at midnight. Be aware and keep those doors locked. Bolo, suspicious person. Unidentified person attempted to unlock this front door. Late night visitor looking for something. Careful what you do. Karma will always catch up to you. In this one we have a man with a rifle that follows a houseguest home. This man pulled up in a red truck as this homeowner's houseguest was getting out of her car at this residence. After she got out of her car, the man got out of his truck with what appears to be a short rifle, and approached the yard. We think he left because he saw the sign on the gate that read, "You're on camera." Talk about absolutely terrifying to say the least. This place again. For an ice freezer, this seems to be a hot spot in Seattle. This time this ice freezer is broken into. The thief stole 4 bags of ice, 2 bagels, and a box of croissants. Bag was found in the street. Police were notified immediately and took 4.5 hours to respond. Welcome to Sleepless in Seattle. We hope you enjoyed the video. Please, like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.